In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check messages on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to check your Instagram messages, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. And from the home screen, you just need to tap the messages icon down in the bottom middle of the screen. This will open up your Instagram DMs. From here, you just got to tap really any conversation just like so to either, see the message itself or the message history or to send a new reply. If you don't see the message that you're looking for, go ahead and back out and select request just like so, and it might be up here as well. These are going to be messages from people that you don't follow. You can open up a request and choose to accept it or, deny it as well. It's completely up to you. There's also going to be hidden requests on here as well. Usually that's just spam or inappropriate messages. If you're on a computer though, you just go to Instagram.com, log into your account and click the messages icon and open up any chat to read or reply to your messages. That's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.